Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Now last time in my last videos we have discussed about the HCF and the process or the methods of finding the HCF. Similarly now the next topic is LCM. Okay. LCM means lowest or the least common then multiple. Okay. LCM means lowest common multiple or the least common multiple, or LCM is also written as LCD. L means similarly lowest, then C means common, and D means divisor. Okay, now in LCM, first of all we must know the multiples. What is multiples? In my last video we have discussed about the factors and the product also. Now regarding LCM we must know what is multiples. Don't be confused. The multiples means if you take 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, okay, then again 5 threes are 15, and 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, then 5 six are 30. Okay, now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, then 30. These are the multiples of 5, or we can write M5. Okay, now 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. These are the multiples of 5. Okay, we must know the multiples. What is multiples? Okay, now multiples. Okay, now after this we must know the definition of LCM. What is LCM? Okay, LCM is the smallest or the lowest or the least common multiples of the given number, or LCM means the least common multiples of the given particular two numbers. That is called the LCM. Okay, between the two numbers, what is the least common multiples? That is considered as the LCM. So we can take the example 2 and 3. Okay, now regarding 2 and 3. Okay, now multiples of 2 is 2, 4, then 6, 8, 10, 12, and 12, then 14. Okay, there are many multiples. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 48, 2 8s are so on. Okay, so we can write up to 14. Now multiples of 3, M3 we can write again. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, then 18, then 3 7s are 21. Okay, now how to find the LCM? Okay, how to find the LCM we'll see. Okay, this is a very common example, okay, to find the LCM. Okay, now common multiples. Okay, in HCF we have find the common factors. Similarly in LCM we will find the common multiples. That means, okay, which is the common multiples? There are 6, then another one 12. Okay, there may be many common multiples, but we'll take this 6 and 12 only. Okay, so 6 and 12. Okay, therefore least common multiples, or we can say LCM is 6. Finish. Okay, we cannot take 12 because 12 is bigger than 6. That's why we'll take the 6, which is lowest, which is smallest, or the which is least. That is the LCM. Easily we can find the number, the first common multiple, the first lowest common multiple is considered as the LCM. Okay, now or we can say this 6. Okay, LCM, in another word we can say It is the lowest possible number which can be divisible by the numbers. It is the lowest particular number which can be divisible by both the numbers. Numbers we took 2 and 3. It is the lowest possible number which can be divided by the given numbers. That means leaving any number, leaving remainder 0. That means by 2, 2 3 is 6, again 6, then 3 2 is 6. Okay, that is also one of the example of LCM. Okay, the number must divide the number must be divisible by the given numbers. Okay, now after this we'll discuss about the process or the method of finding the LCM. Methods. Okay, methods of finding LCM or LCD. Okay, number one, listing the multiples or and the name common multiple method. Okay, common multiple method. Number one method is listing the multiples or common multiple method. This is the topmost method of finding the LCM. Okay, now first of all we can take example 5 and 6. Okay, multiples of 5. So 5, 10. Okay, then 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, then 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 so on. Okay, similarly multiples of 6 is 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, then 6 6 is 36, and then 6 7 is 42 and so on. Okay, now okay, first common multiple is, which is the common multiple? Okay, after seeing these multiples, which is the common multiple? 30 and 30 common multiple. There is no common multiple. Okay, when we compare the multiples like 5 and 6, 10, 12, there is no common multiples, only we'll see 30 and 30. This is the common multiple. Okay, so that's why LCM is how much? 30. LCM is 30. Okay, after this, if any number is common multiples, okay, we cannot take that number because the least, lowest or the smallest is 30 only. There is no other number which is common. That's why 30 is considered as the LCM of like 5 and 6. Okay, number 2. We'll see number 2. After this, okay, now after this prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay, or prime factor method. Or okay, now this is also one of the example, one of the process which is very much famous for the students. They are always using this method to find the LCM. Okay, another one, the first one also they can use, but when we like open the book, the prime factorization method is given much preference. So we can also use this method to find the LCM. Okay, now it's very simple. Example, I'll take 18, 24 and 36. Okay, now 18, the factors of 18. Okay, first 2 9 is 18, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Okay, 18 factors of 18, then like 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, now another one, 24, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3. Okay, now 36, 2 1 is 2, 1 is carry over, 2 8 is 16, then 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, now 18, after 18, 24. 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, then last one 36. 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now, okay, 2 1, then 3 2 times. Okay, 3 2 times. Then here 2 is 2 times. Okay, 2 is 3 times, sorry, 3 times, 3 times, then 3 is 1 time. Okay, 2 is 3 times, then 3 is 1 times, then 2 is 2 times, then 3 is 2 times also, 36. Okay, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, then 36. 36. Okay, 2 is 4, 4 12, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. 36. Now, okay, first of all we have to find the factors of 18 factors, then 24 prime factors, then 36 prime factors. Now we have to write as in index or exponent or in power form. That 2 1 time, then 3 2 times. Okay, then 2 3 times, then 3 1 time only, 2 2 times, then 3 2 times. Okay, now LCM. Okay, now consider this number 2 1 time, 2 3 times, 2 2 times, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 1. Okay, which is the highest? 2 cube. That one you can take into, then 3 square, 3 1 3 square. Okay, which is highest? 3 square is highest. Okay, okay, again I'll tell you, 2 is only 1 time, 2 is 3 times, 2 is 2 times. The number which is like repeated many times, or the number which have highest power. Okay, 2 is the number which is common and the power is highest is 3. So 2 3 and 3 again, 3 square, 3 1 3 square. 3 is repeated twice, that is highest. 1 you cannot take, here also 1 2 1 you cannot take. Okay, 2 to the power 2 square, that you cannot take. 2 cube you can take. Okay, then again 3 square, 3 1 3 square you can take 3 square. Okay, 2 cube, that means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, then 3 3 is 9, then 8 9 is 72. Okay, now I want to tell you here one thing. This LCM 8 9 is 70 to finish. Okay, many students they are confused. We have to take the common number only, like 2 2 2 common, 3 3 common, and sir or the person they can take the common number only. We have to take the common number only, not like that. Okay, I want to tell you here one thing I want to make clear by giving another example. Okay, another example, that is 15 and 20. Example of 15 and 20. 15, then 3 5s are 15. Okay, then 20. Okay, 20, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Understood? 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Okay, then 20, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Okay, now here see, 3 is only 1 time, 5 is also 1 time. Here 2 is 2 times, 5 is 1 time. Now see, I want to make you clear. Okay, now therefore LCM. Okay, here only the 5 is common. 5 1 power 5, index is 1, take 5 1 time. Okay, then 2 square, 2 the power is 2. There is no other common number of 2 here. When we consider those two numbers, 2 square, 2 is not here, so you can write that 2 also. Okay, in LCM this is the main you have to understood. Okay, main thing, don't be confused. Here we can take the common. If the number is common in the particular 3 term, particular 3 number or the 2 numbers, you can take the common and consider the highest power. Consider the highest power and write those number with the highest number. Okay, but if the number is not common, take that number also. Like 2 square, 2 is not here, you have to take. Okay, 3 again, 3 1, 3 is here, 3 is not here. Now we have to take that 3 also. That is the main thing you have to understood. Okay, not only the common, but the number which is not common, that number you can take. that number you have to take. Okay, so 5 1s are 5, 2 2s are 4, then 3. That means 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. This is the LCM. This is the LCM of like 15 and 20. Okay, now this is the second process. Now we'll do the third one in my next video.